Right, so as I mentioned earlier in one of my videos, if your bike ever dies and you want to hook up a jump lead to start it, for most people, as I said, you got to take the seat off, or if you go to the FJR, that. Some bikes got bolts, got to remove all sorts. Now, for me on this bike, it's not too much of a problem. I just take the seat off. However, if I'm travelling on Scotland, there's going to be a lot on top of that, as I mentioned. So taking this off isn't going to be exactly a piece of cake to start the bike and then put it all back on and get going. But here's the idea. I showed it in one of the videos earlier. Batteries in here. I've got a nice big thick piece of cable going down here. Real protected. Here's the other end of it, right here. I've yet to tape and completely seal it up yet for should the time ever come. But it's going to be all taped up, all sealed up, so no water and nothing can ever get to it. But basically, should the day ever arrive, you need to jump start your bike with jump leads. And let's say I've got a load of luggage on top of this, so I don't really want to move this. All I do is I take my jump lead pack and basically open that up. So I take all the tape off that, open that up, positive the jump lead to that, a negative jump lead to that, because it's ground, and that would jump start the bike, which saves a lot of hassle for anyone that ever knows, or anyone's had that trouble with a bike where they need to jump start it with some jump leads and they've got to get to the battery. Some people it's not too much of a bother, but I think this is a big life help, as long as this is waterproof protected and that is only accessed as and when you need to jump start the bike and no other times. I think I've got a little solution here. Yeah, anyone hit me up if you want one building.